Ekomamai to 2-minute language lessons, the fun and easy way to teach your children or grandchildren common words and phrases in Spanish, French, German, and Hawaiian while they're young and language learning is easy for them. Today, we'll learn how to say I'm hot in Hawaiian. In Hawaiian, I'm hot is Wela au. Wela means hot, and au means I or me. Say it slowly after me. Wela au. Now say it a bit faster. Wela au. To say that you're not hot, start with a'ole, the Hawaiian word for no. If you need a refresher on that word, click the link here. When you make a negative statement, the word au comes right after the word a'ole, and then the descriptive word comes after that. So I am hot is Wela au, but I am not hot is a'ole au Wela. Today's assignment is to say Wela at least 3 times. If you open a window, you can state Wela au. If you close a window, you can say a'ole au Wela. Your children will soon begin imitating you to say if they are hot or not. You can also say if you're hot when you step outside. After saying whether you're hot, you could add a'oe to mean and you. This will encourage your children to answer in Hawaiian. This can also refresh their knowledge of I meaning yes and a'ole meaning no. If you like communicating with your child or grandchild in multiple languages by playing simple language games with them, please subscribe to my channel. By spending just 2 minutes each day learning one new word in one new language, you'll soon be speaking with your children in Spanish, French, German, and Hawaiian. And check out some of my other videos on living the life you would die for, based on my years of experience as a family physician. Mahalo.